Interest expenses are also added in the company income statement. I have already calculated the projected interest payment for each year of the company in the previous course. This is previous course workbook sheet. Suppose company borrows $65,000 to the bank and pays interest to bank after the first year $4,402.57. I copy this worksheet and paste in the current workbook. Right click on the sheet tab, click move or copy. Make sure the current workbook is opened. Click workbook arrow button. Currently there are two workbooks opened. Select the income statement workbook. Now select the position of the selected sheet. I want to paste before the SLN function sheet. Select SLN function sheet. Click OK. Rename this sheet. Double click. Type interest payment. Press enter key. The sheet is pasted in the income statement workbook before the SLN function sheet. Active income statement worksheet. Active cell reference E34. Enter equal sign, then enter negative sign. Because I want to add positive values in the income statement. Active interest payment worksheet. You can see these values are negative. I change the format of these values to match the format of the income statement. Click cell reference E8. Press enter key. Formula returns the interest expense of the company in this cell. Now you can see this value is positive. To calculate interest expenses of other years, paste the same formula in other cells. First make the absolute position of cell reference E8. Again active this cell. Click in formula bar. Press F4 key. I want to place $sign before the uppercase letter E. Again press F4 key. Again press F4 key. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Press mouse and drag to right. Active interest payment sheet. This is cell reference E9. Active income statement worksheet. Then active cell reference F34. Click in formula bar. Type 9. Press enter key. This is the value of interest payment for the second year. Repeat the same steps for the other years to calculate interest payment for the other years.